vile tunaweza kusaidiana pamoja na ndugu ama watu wa nyumba moja kuishi kwa umoja. How blessed, how gracious all the 47 counties of Kenya. Basis. We are going to lose out. Why? Because I am Deputy President of Kenya. Isn't it? Every along that path until I reach my house. And the way our constitution is ordered, President Ruto has been very keen. There's a lot of issues. And that's it. I later became deputy.
Pamoja na viongozi wetu wa gatuzi nambari 14 wa taifa letu la Kenya. Karibu.
Kuna viti mkono wangu wa kulia ambavyo viko tupu, ambako dada sana Mheshimiwa Naibu wa Rais. Karibu tena sana, pamoja na viongozi wetu wa gatuzi nambari 14.
For the opportunity to serve in your people in different capacities. And we pray that, gracious Lord, all the people you have given from Embu, they may work together in unity, in purpose, and speak in one voice, and they show one love to our county and to our...
Every day, and what is making me lose sleep, because I don't know how long I'll be here. There have been other deputy presidents, there have been other